Hey, my friend Joshua Latimer here. I'm joined by my good buddy who you definitely want to pay attention to. He's very smart, 8-figure entrepreneur, kind of a legend in the industry. His name's Michael Hinderliter. You know him. You love him. He's in Texas, and I'm in Texas. We're at Warplan Studios, and we're going to talk about the winter wealthy stuff from your perspective. How you doing?
Good.
Thanks for coming over.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, when you do a job recruitment post, trying to get, somebody to, and this is like the biggest pain point for everyone, right? Especially after COVID. No one wants to work, right?
Yes.
That's the word on the street.
Golly.
But at the same time, a new Chick-fil-A will open and 176 new employees will get hired in 14 days. Well, that's weird because you're really great and your company's culture is so great, but you can't get anyone. But the Chick-fil-A crushed it. Tommy's crushing it. I mean, at the end of the day, it's always us.
Different? Yeah.
But we got to be better marketers, but we also just have to be better. It's our offer. Our offer sucks.
Yeah.
So Chick-fil-A is a prestigious place to work if you're a high schooler.
Mm-hmm.
There's like, believe it or not, a form of flexing that's like, it's pretty cool to work at Chick-fil-A. It also looks good on college applications to have worked at Chick-fil-A. So these are nonverbal,
never thought that.
peripheral benefits because of the brand Chick-fil-A built. It doesn't look the same that you worked at Burger King as it does that you worked at Chick-fil-A. Agreed?
Yeah. No.
Let's say you're hiring a pressure cleaning technician, okay? And everything's the same, but one guy worked at Chick-fil-A for 2 years, one guy worked at Burger King for 2 years. I'm not saying it's some huge earth-shattering thing, but it's different. They're not the same. So everything is marketing. Now, when you do a job ad, the copy that people write is wrong. It's written poorly from a marketing perspective. Yeah. It's all about what you have to do. It's the requirements. When I do a job ad, I'll just give a free gift that'll 10x your recruiting right now. Mm-hmm. And the first thing is your subject line in your job ad has to be unique. It has to be funny. Be a human being. Stop acting like AT&T, okay? You have 4 employees and you wash dirt off houses, okay? We don't have to pretend we're Verizon Wireless. Be a human. But do something fun like gas-powered squirt gun operator was the subject line for a pressure cleaning technician.
Yeah. Who wouldn't want to look at that?
It's a market. It's a hook. But then when they click into your ad, and always put your up to pay, not your starting pay.
Yes.
Never put your starting pay. Put your up to. And your up to pay is your unicorn scenario. It has to be true. Don't break integrity. Yeah. But if you had an absolute savage rock star of the most efficient, amazing, upsells all the time, 5-star review of 10 times a day guy, how much are you paying that guy? Up to that amount is on your recruiting. Because that's the benchmark that you're setting. But then inside your copy, the only thing that should be at the top headline to start off, it should say what you get. And then a list of stuff they get. Mm-hmm. Gas-powered squirt gun operator needed, up to $30 an hour. What you get when you work with us. You get this, you get this, you get this, you get this, you get this. And I'm talking this, you get this, you get this. You get that. It's called a stack. Uh-huh. You create a stack. And everything should go on there.
I love that.
It's just better marketing.
I'm going to change my ad today.
It will literally change your results.
No, yeah, I believe it.
Because